wala nang incentive mga para maumuha ng streamer eggs. Hindi. 7 rounds tayo ng Guess the Monster. 2 rounds sa Riles Jewel. 5 rounds, 20 LC each.
If you share it with your mom,
Grabe, nagbubukas ng itlog. Putang na, sunod-sunod. Yun, Holy Armor. Scroll, Orca Clothes. Nakakuha ng Orc Lord. Armor streamer eggs, no? Pero kasi, ano pa nakakuha ang Shadow Armor doon? Shadow Armor tsaka Shadow Shoes, di ba?
everyone is gonna.
Nothing. Alista na kita kanina. Nahulog pa nga si Shenlong.
This is gonna be fun for the entire server.
Gamitin ko yung isang sasakyan. Yung isa. Puti. Ayan. Goods. Koto ko, padil.
I dare you. You can, ano ba? You are there.
Yan ang clue natin. Yan, 22 entries.
Just have a...
Mabilisan lang sa top 1 raffle. "15 seconds before the next clue." What's up? Okay na. Mamimigay ako ng 50 NLs Jewel tsaka yung lottery ticket na isang daan. Ayun. Nice. Nice.
I can go again. Let's do the thing again. Okay. Bro, why are you a fat robber?
Sino nakakuha? Si Bullet. Wait lang, Bullet ah. Kasi ano ba yung pangalan mo kasi medyo ano eh. Pangalan yun, Kipi. Size. Hindi siya ano eh.
Yeah.
No eh. Check lang. Notify lang kayo mga pre. Check lang ako ng mga top fan kung meron pa. Saka subs. Silip-silip lang ginagawa ko kasi. Masyado nakakapaglaro.
Oh no, I fell. Oh yeah. See? Yep, you do.
Ako naman, hindi ko naman kasi sure pa kung paanong path ng gagawin ng ng lakas RO ngayon dito sa ano ko kasi madami na rin kasing shadow armor tsaka shadow shoes. Sorry, di pala shadow shoes, shadow armor. Shadow shoes tsaka shadow
Bro, I just saw a server that is called Chase's Murder Mystery. Oh, good.
I wonder how we got this. Papalaro ako, nagkuha lang ako ng listahan ng
Your
ano,
favorite na Saya? Gini? Yeah.
subscriber tsaka ng ano to.
I'm positive.
Yan o,
Just
Simon.
drive it to the motel.
Welcome to the stream, Repa. Oy, Boss Jemuel. Oy, kanino to kakaan eh? Ang swerte, pre. Sakto. First winner.
I would be so angry. Let's join my new friend. Do you know this Alejandro?
Pero kasi noon, yung setup, yung mga level 5, level 4 weapons na pang third gen. Nasa pupor gacha, no? Nakita ko yung streamer egg, pre. Ang ganda ng mga bagong laman ng streamer egg din.
It's okay. It's okay. I don't like to drink. I'm gonna run away. Did you know while you were absent last December, I actually sat in your suite and then I was watching with Rina.
Pero wait lang ah. Magdo-double.
Tomorrow. Wait, you cut your hair? You didn't tell me so that I can cut my hair just...
Ano ba tong square ko? Jerusalem bells ringing, and cavalry.
Why did the teacher jump into the pool? Because he wanted to test the water. No, it's like this, and I love unicorn.
Right, hey,
What?
let me see. Okay, next round. 4 rounds. Sayang sana yun, no? Kung na-late lang siya ng tele ng ilang segundo, siya na pa. Sayang streamer X,
There, or else I'm gonna look on yours.
maganda pa naman yung bagong itlog, pre.
I'm already looking.
Oo. Pag hindi nyo pa din nakuha after nung pag pinalaki ko yung picture, magbibigay ako ng... Wait lang, huwag muna kayo umalis. Ilalagay ko na para ano.
How do you know that? And I love unicorns. Unicorns are yellow. Unicorns are the zombies will tell you at the nighttime if you're staying up.
Yun o, Boss JC Artilero.
Oh, I'm gonna send it to you.
Okay lang yan. Basta ano, ano ko lang, i-ready ko lang para ano-ano lang, sunod-sunod. Should be...
punished to the full extent of law. To set an example, others join in accusing her of thinking she's above the law. More hate
Bali 25 LC per win to. Pwede pa ulit-ulit ah.
actions.
Oh, you know that big bill?
Ayun. Nice. Uy, nag-tele. Puta na. Level reveal. Level mo. Level ng mob.
Nothing. Maybe it's injection.
Lalabas na to pag nakuha niyo.
I I just ran over time. How? How do you escape this place?
Paputa ganun. Say that you remember.
Oh my gosh, I really don't know.
Ready kayo, tele-LG fish.
Don't even ignore me.
L. Solid yun, hasta all stats yun, di ba? Yun, oh. Ang solid, oh. Bangis. I'm doing something.
He's busy. Okay, truth or dare? Truth or dare?
Kasi di ba yung streamer egg, bago na ilaman. Tama? Yung mga gusto sumali, pasok na isa pa, punong mag-chat sa pub, pre.
Truth or dare?
And will come between us. Oh, no.
Bro, they're trying to watch drama class. Oh yeah, Francine. Hi, Francine. Francine?
Okay na mga pre. Di na, pre. T1 is T1. Libero naman talaga yun. Ayun si Boss Sandro.
Ow, 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 ow.
Jojo. Yan, punta lang kayo sa upper front mga pre. Mga gustong sumali.
Oh wait, bro. Oh no, I'm scared. What about you? I'm scared. This is gonna be. It's between the murderer and the sheriff.
Halo si Jen niya ang pangalan ng ma'am. Hi.
Bata!
New costume from utility NPC. Yung Pinky Wings. Tsaka yung God Armor. Ang sakto pagka square 5 ko lumapag siya. 1-1 na nga din. Oo nga. Mga ano naman niya. Tama ba? Wait lang. Gago baka 25. Ay hindi. Ano pala, 100 NLs Jewel pala, sorry. 100 NLs Jewel. Mamaya na pala next round pala yung 25 LC.
Yeah. That was good. You told it to me last time.
Ito na, round 1 mga pre. Nang nandito, raffle natin, dalawang winner, 50 NLs Jewel each. Sa mga nandito sa stream, so dapat 10.
Oh my god, 500.
Hindi, sa stream.
650. This is how you spell it.
Out the city, pre.
Are you there? Are you still at the gate? Because
Still has to go once.
I don't remember.
Ayan. Pangay na kasi, laki. G. Oh, 1 minute tapos next clue. Wait lang. Medium ha, medium. Medium size, medium size. Divine Pride ang sagot sa inyong mga katanungan. Sa Facebook. Palag naman yan. Sandro San Pedro. Thank you for following, bro. Maraming salamat. Akani. Pag-alpag. Oh man, cavalry requirements. Sige, magta-timer ako. Lakihan ko pa. SSTD. Saan ba? Para makita nyo agad. Close, ano ko na lang. Lalakihan ko na ulit. Choji, si Aishi. Yan, paiba-iba.
Targeter.
After pala nito, ano tayo? Oh, pwede. May 45 seconds sila para mag-claim.
Why do magicians do so well at school? They're good because they're good in trick questions.
Si Feni tsaka si Namrepus ang next in line. Si Kotoko. Kotoko, malapit na. Very warm. Ulit tapos next clue. Tayo pala umabot ng repos. Yan, sige. Pre, alisin na natin to si Maiden. Nakaraan si ano eh. Si Jojo eh. Mananalo kaya si Atong. Thank you for sharing the stream, Ju. Ariel.
Yeah. You know, I watch it.
Pag hindi nag-claim si Redux saka si Akane,
Like, you have YouTube kids?
GN pre, tapos share mo na din yung stream. Ikaw pala yung DreamWorks. Wait lang siguro tayo 4 rounds. Tapos, sa mga nakatambay sa stream,
No?
may ano tayo dyan.
So I thought YouTuber that is called Dylan Anderson. That's literally that. That's a... I lost Karen. Okay. No. Ayan.
Yan, tayo lang tayo mga maglalaro. Teka lang. Share lang ako. Pasok na kayo sa pub mga pre. Wait lang ah.
Watch me log into my brother's account.
So ganito. 100 ano else? Kala mo lang yon.
Oh, because I reported it.
Para palaro tayo pre. Mamaya ako nare-raffle yung sa ano.
How?
Because we always fought.
Oh, baby. May specific siyang pangalan eh.
A concert? Ooh.
Baka hindi siya searchable. Okay lang yan, pre. Mahal kasi na megaphone box, 50 LC. Auda. So sa mga nanalo na, 1 character per win. Okay, so naglabas na ng roadmap yung ano no, Lakas RO. So September trans, tapos parang mas okay sana kung ganun eh. Diba? Kumbaga,
Don't move a single inch.
sabi kasi ni Jess eh. Ni Jess. First to chat sa pub. First to chat. I always wanted this and it's not a... So ngayon, bukas, tapos Saturday na siguro yung, tama, last round, tapos LC na. Siguro sufficient naman na yung laki ng monster. So, element na lang siguro ang...
We wanted to test so. What did
Tapos na,
one
Igoy.
say to the
2 minutes, 1 minute na lang, tapos magbibigay ako ng bagong clue. On the living room pa.
Eh, umin to na to eh.
You can open it, it's dark outside na.
Kita. Airplane.
Puta na, hindi nakapin. Maganda pala mga laman ng streamer egg, so hopefully makakuha kayo na maganda sa mga streamer eggs na napapalalunan nyo. And
My brother is sleeping. My brother is sleeping. And he never says anything. He just put his
sa subscriber. And last na si XG. Singoy 27. You make me teenage dream. Para pre, malabo. Nandun siya sa variant na yun, pre. Variant siya ng ganong ng easy lang. Hey, turn on the lights. It's dark na eh. Claim na ba si Rare?
Oh my god, help me find the sheriff.
Hindi ko makita. So, ang hindi pa nagki-claim si Ace. May specific na name. Parang ano to, sa mga nanguhula, ano to, parang specific name mob. Nandun siya sa... Sorry. Sorry, I forgot you were sleeping. Gago nag-tail eh. Yan. Grabe naman si ano, no, si Jojo. Napakaswerte. 2 weeks. You know. Welcome, bro Pogs.
Let's not end the stairs. Backing up. Backing up.
Level 82, pre.
Why couldn't the pony sing a lullaby? Why? Because she was a little horse.
Ayun. Ano? Atong, deal mo ako sa front. Yung Den BM. Padil ako.
Can you join me? This is a fun game.
Sali na kayo, tele-LGP, pre.
My poor eardrum hurt.